Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily pay your Airtel postpaid bill online. So without wasting any time, we are going to start the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So before going ahead, let me tell you one thing. If you're using iPhone or Android phone, the process is going to be same. So there is no difference over there. So it doesn't matter which device you're using. First of all, you need to open Airtel application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, if your payment is pending, you will get a message like this saying that late fee charged, bill overdue since, and the date will be given over there. So either you can tap on the message and you can check out the message over there, and you can select pay bill option over here, or else you will be able to see the postpaid option on the home screen itself. You can just simply tap on this arrow and go ahead, and on this postpaid page you will be able to check out all your details. So you can check out your plan, you can check out the details. If you want to change the plan, you have that option as well. Now over here you can check out your usage. If you want to add data, you have that option as well. And in amount payable, it will showcase the amount which you need to pay, and if the payment is overdue, it will show you that it is overdue. Now if you want to pay the bill, simply tap on pay now option, and later on you will get a pop-up screen. Over here you can choose the payment method. Now I have added Google Pay UPI, so it is showing me that option. After that, if you have linked bank account in Airtel UPI, you can select that over here. You can also change the bank, and if you want to check out more payment option, simply select view all payment option. Now on this particular page you can check out all the other payment methods. So Airtel UPI I have already informed you about. If you go down, you will be able to check out the saved payment method. You can check out the other UPI applications, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, whichever you want to select, you can do that. If you go down, you get other options as well. So either you can pay with credit card or debit card. If you want to use wallet amount, you can use that as well. So for now, I'm going to select a UPI application. I'm going to select Google Pay UPI, and once you have selected the payment method, simply select Pay Now. Now it will redirect you to the selected UPI option or application, and over here again you can select the bank which you want. So I have selected the bank. Now let's select pay option. You need to enter your UPI pin and select submit. So I have entered the pin. Let's select submit option, and now you can see the payment is successful. Now let's go back to Airtel application, and over here you will get a successful message saying that bill paid successfully. Now if you win any reward or something, you have this tap to reveal option. You can just check out and it will show the offer, or it will show the reward. If you want to claim the offer, you can tap on claim offer over here. So yeah, now we have successfully paid the bill. If you want to check details, you can tap on view more option, and you can check out the details over here. You can check out the bill amount, you can check out the operator, you can check out the number for which you have paid, and you can check out the transaction ID as well. So yeah, this is how simple it is to pay Airtel postpaid bill using Airtel application. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.